Let's talk about
What part she's capping about is me not taking care of the kids. Give you about like, how much I give you a month? I give you like, what?
If you gave it to me, you would know.
I gave her 10K, right?
10K as in 10,000?
10K is in 10,000.
This devoted dad insists he's going above and beyond for his kids, shelling out a staggering $110, zero every month in support. But his ex isn't buying it, calling his claims nothing but a lie. So, who's really telling the truth? Let's dive in and see for ourselves.
Okay, Miss Doug, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Okay, Judge. Well, I'm bringing Tim to court today because he's not taking care of his children, his responsibility, and I need help. So I'm requesting for child support.
All right, when you say he's not taking care of his responsibility, what do you mean by that? Financially? Is he not picking them up? Because you know, that can mean a lot of things.
Exactly. So he's not picking them up. I'm having to pay someone to go pick the kids up from daycare.
Okay. You're paying them, you said?
I'm paying out of pocket.
How much are you paying?
Approximately $200 a week.
A week?
Yes.
Okay.
There's 3 different schools that they have to go to pick up the kids, daycare and after school care, and he's not contributing.
Okay.
Also carry the kids on medical.
All right. How much is that?
Medical is $250 a month.
Is that for, how many children do you all have?
3.
3? Okay, and that's for all 3 children?
That's for all 3 children.
Okay. All right. And I'm assuming you know that Tim has money somewhere. You know he can pay for it?
Oh, Judge, he has money.
Okay.
Yes, he has money. He's in a club every weekend throwing. Yeah, I have receipts.
Clip this dad walked into court to prove he's a responsible father. But instead of defending himself, he's schooling the judge on Gen Z slang. Seriously, talk about misplaced priorities.
Okay, what kind of receipts do you have?
Screenshots from Facebook, Instagram. I mean, I'm blocked, but I have family members that follow him.
Just telling all your business.
First off, that's cap.
What? Excuse me?
I'm sorry, but I'm just saying.
No, what did you say?
That's
a cap.
That's cap, yeah.
She doesn't have on the cap.
Cap means that's lying. She's lying.
Oh, okay, yeah. This that new age stuff.
That's that new age.
How you spell that?
C-A-P.
C-A-P, exactly, like a regular cap.
Clive insists he handed over $10,000 for the kids. But when it's time to show proof, crickets. No bank records, no receipts, no transfers, just a whole lot of words. If there's no evidence, did it even happen? Or is he just capping, as he might say himself? Right?
Oh, okay, I learned something new. All right. Now, I mean, he said it's cap. He said you are not telling the truth. Is that true?
He's being untruthful.
Okay. Is that a screenshot you have right there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It's a screenshot, several screenshots.
So give me the backstory of this relationship. Like, you all just did not wake up one day and decided that you can't get along, and you're saying he doesn't financially support the kids. How did we get here?
Well, Judge, I should have known better.
What do you mean?
I met him at the club.
Oh, okay. So the same club that he's throwing
correct.
the money at, you were there too?
He approached me and we exchanged numbers.
Okay.
And then the next day we went out for breakfast, and you know, from there we just were inseparable until he started back clubbing. I guess the kids became too much for him.
Oh, okay. So in between that time, you all had the 3 kids?
Correct.
Got you. Okay.
So we've been on again, off again, more off than on. And I need help with these kids now. They're growing.
How long have you all been off?
Right now it's been about 2 years.
2 years, all right.
2 years too long.
Who do the children live with?
They live with me.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Because we don't know where Mr. Tim lives, so.
Okay, well, we're going to get that from him in just a moment. All right, is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to Mr. Tim?
Not at this moment, Judge.
Okay. All right. Now, Mr. Tim, give me your last name, because I don't just want to call you, you know, by your first name, unless you prefer me to call you Mr. Tim.
No, it don't matter. Hall.
Hall? Okay, Mr. Hall. Now, you said she was capping. Let's talk about that.
Big cap. So
is she capping about you all's relationship, you all meeting in the club? She said she was a patron, but you said you spent like $2,000 on her. I mean...
No, what part she's capping about is me not taking care of the kids.
Okay.
I'm a firm believer. I take care of mine.
All right. Now, define what you mean by taking care of your children, because she just said that she's paying someone $200 a week to transport your kids and pick them up and take them to daycare in different schools. So, is that true? Like, are you not helping with that?
No, I help with that too.
All right.
That's cap as well. You know what I'm saying?
How do you?
How do I contribute?
Yeah. How do you do that?
I give you about like how much I give you a month. I give you like what?
If you gave it to me, you would know.
So you should know.
That's
I
a
gave it to
good
you.
point.
If you gave it to me, you should know.
I gave you what 10K?
That's a good point, Mr. Hall.
I gave her 10K. Right.
10K as in 10,000?
10K and 10,000.
Okay.
That's a lot of money.
All right. Hold on 1 second. Miss Doug, did he give you $10,000?
That would be a lie.
Okay.
A whole lie.
That's cap.
So-
how's that cap? I got the statements. I got the receipts.
All right. What kind of statements and receipts did you bring with you today?
I don't got it on me, but you know what I'm saying. But
You knew you were coming to court for child support.
Only minute, he's flexing a $200,000 salary, living big, spending freely. But the moment child support enters the chat,
right.
All right.
He thought his looks was gonna help, Judge.
But who is he trying to appeal to?
That's you.
I'm not interested, Mr. Hall. I mean, don't get me wrong. You're not a bad looking guy,
I
okay?
appreciate that. Thank you.
But I'm not interested. We're not here for that.
Sure.
I just want to know what these numbers look like.
Well, okay. So the numbers is I gave her 10K a month,
All right.
right? For the
I have that.
for the child support.
10K a month
10K a month.
for how many months?
For how many months?
Yeah.
Probably about like 7, 8.
7, 8 months.
You ain't gave
But-
10K in 9 years.
I'm talking though, baby. I'm talking. So,
Did you call her baby?
yeah, you know, she got my heart. She had my kids, so like she always got my heart.
So why don't y'all just get back together?
Nah,
I'ma pass.
Oh,
it's
okay.
been there, done it. Ain't
That's
gonna
a
go back. Yeah.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
So, Mr. Hall, you said you gave her this money. She's saying no, you don't have any receipts or anything to confirm it.
It's not looking real good, is it?
It's not. What do you do for a living?
I'm a rapper.
You're a rapper? Okay. And how much money do you make?
I make about like 200,000, but it's like that's whenever taxes and everything is deducted. She on my neck about payments and you know what I'm saying, stuff like that. I get about at least 30,000. You know what I'm saying, to myself that I can use for myself and what I want to do. So you
Which is throwing it in the club.
Which is throwing it in the club, of course. You know
Mr.
what
Hall,
I'm saying? So
Mr.
she's
Hall,
taking all my money.
Mr. Hall,
Yes, ma'am.
I may look young, but I wasn't born yesterday, okay?
Okay.
Do not come in here and waste my time.
I ain't wasting your time.
You and I both know that I have heard that song and dance over and over again, where people come in here and say they make all of this money, but the moment they realize they're more than like
suddenly, he's broke, struggling, and the math just isn't mathing. Funny how finances shift when responsibility knocks.